Hati mangwatanio ya Azimio One Kenya umundi matongoew'e nĩyatongoimo nimatangasa kukwata mbau maandamano ma Matakitali na kwĩkonĩa namo ethĩwa Silikali ndĩthĩnĩkĩa mũkomonĩ. Matongoew'e ni mũtongoi wa chama cha Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka nimeweta kana Silikali nĩyailĩte kũthĩnĩkĩa mũkomonĩ kwa mĩtũkĩ oingi maitũla mũtĩ President William Ruto kwa kũvuthĩsya mũkomo wa Matakitali vindani enende mande kwithiwa mainya ma masivitali. Ni ripoti yake Ben Musau.
Ndongoi ithi kuma ngwatanio ya kiuteti ya Azimio One Kenya itongoew'e ni Ndongoi ya chama cha Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka nĩsyatĩsya kũkwatĩanĩa na matakĩtalĩ kũtwaĩĩsya mĩatĩanĩo kavindani ka matakĩtalĩ me mũkomonĩ wa kũsukumĩa Silikali kwĩanĩsya wĩtĩkĩlano wo.
We stand in absolute solidarity with the doctors. They're entitled, as usual, under Article 37 of our Constitution, to picket, to demonstrate, to go on strike. And if they do not stop this strike, obviously Kenyans are free to join. Apparently the only language you understand ni kwenda kwa mitaa.
Oingi Azimio ni yatũla mũtĩ Mũsumbi William Ruto ovamwe na Minister Mũtheani wa ũsesei wa nthĩnĩ Professor Kithure Kindiki kwa kila Ndongoi ithisyo weteta kwitha matekũ ithukisya kĩo cha Matakitali na vandu vau mayambe ya kũmatĩsya yĩla matwaĩĩsya mĩatĩanĩo vala mathingĩlĩla ni haki ya Matakitali kwĩka ũũ.
If only they could cut down, because during the National Dialogue Committee meetings, we were able to address some of these issues. And a statement issued that they were going to cut down on travel, for example, that those traveling, say, within the region will all fly economy. But what has actually happened? We have seen exponential growth in expenditure by this government.
There's been a development when the CS Kindiki outlawed the strike, meaning beginning tomorrow we might start seeing tear gas. We saw what happened to the leader. There was a projectile that hit his head. God forbid if it had hit the wrong corner, probably he would not be with him. And as Mio were saying, it is their constitutional right under Article 37. And if this government, instead of addressing the problem, the root cause of this, is going to use tear gas and force against the doctors and force them off the streets, as Azimio were ready to come out to stand with them.
Kalonzo Musyoka etũla mũtĩ ũneni wa President Ruto wa kuweta nthĩ ya Kenya ta ina mũio mũnene wa kwĩva mĩsaala ya thũkũmi na vala Kalonzo kuweta ene nthĩ ingĩ taatianĩsye na kuendeea na kuumia kumana na mũkomo wa Matakitali.
What you are now saying is this matter has assumed another dimension. That the whole president comes back and he says, we will not pay, won't pay. Goes on to say that they do not have, we have to live within our means.
Say you have no money to pay your doctors, and yet you have money to give new jobs called CSs, creating offices and rewarding your cronies, and you're saying you cannot pay the doctors. This is the height of irresponsibility by any government.
This is an extravagant regime. They want to be able to milk every penny out of the Kenyans and be able, and then even refuse to pay the doctors. We have established this morning that over 500 Kenyans have lost their lives following the doctor's strike. You may even want to compare that to Shakahola. And it looks like nobody seems to care. We are here to say you will care, because if you don't, we are going to come back to this podium and make further statements with regard to showing solidarity with the Kenyan doctors.
Very soon, we might even have to go to take the government to court for causing murder. Because what are we arguing about here? We are arguing about cents and shillings when Kenyans are dying every day.
Thank you.
Vilingi wa Mavomo Ndongoi TV, nyeneta wa Ben Musau.